Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not detecting your microphone. First, ensure your microphone is securely plugged into your computer's audio jack or USB port. Next, open your operating system sound settings and confirm your microphone is enabled and set as the default input device. Finally, check your system's privacy settings to make sure Roblox has explicit permission to access your microphone. These initial checks resolve many common issues quickly. Once you've confirmed your system settings, launch Roblox and access the in-game settings menu. Look for the privacy or voice chat section, which is usually found under the main settings tab. Here, you'll need to enable the voice chat feature. Then, carefully select your specific microphone from the available drop-down list to ensure Roblox is listening to the correct input device. Save your changes before exiting. Outdated software can often cause detection problems. Make sure your computer's audio drivers are completely up to date. You can usually find these on your sound card manufacturer's website. Simultaneously, verify that your Roblox client is running the very latest version. Game updates frequently include bug fixes that might address microphone issues. Always perform a full system restart after any driver or software installations to apply changes effectively. If the issue continues, try running Roblox as an administrator. This grants the application elevated permissions, which can sometimes resolve access conflicts. Also, check for any other applications running in the background that might be actively using or blocking your microphone and close them. As a final step, if all else fails, consider completely uninstalling and then reinstalling Roblox. This can clear corrupted files and provide a fresh start for your game client.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.